Long before the world recoiled at the word pandemic, humanity was shaped, sometimes shattered, sometimes strengthened, by invisible adversaries. Picture a bustling medieval city, its crowded cobblestone streets humming with life. Suddenly, a shadow creeps in, the Black Death. In 1347, fleas hitching rides on rats swept through Europe, claiming millions. But did you know that quarantine, a word we now dread, was first coined back then? Ships suspected of carrying plague had to anchor for 40 days outside Venice, Quaranta Giorni. Sometimes, isolation is both an old wisdom and a new reality. Flash forward a few centuries. In 1918, soldiers returned home from World War I, bringing not peace, but the deadly Spanish flu. It spread faster than any news of war, infecting hundreds of millions. For the first time, children wore homemade masks. Public gatherings were banned. The air itself felt dangerous. But a dazzling twist. Out of desperation, communities established the earliest versions of emergency response teams and public health campaigns. The flu faded, but the lessons endured. Outside hospitals, folklore and fear bred strange rituals. In some towns during the cholera outbreaks of the 19th century, people believed smoked cigars would filter the deadly air. Others wore garlic necklaces, trusting in old remedies. Science marched forward, but not without resistance, skepticism, and the occasional outlandish superstition. Now, imagine that the world is one big jigsaw puzzle, and every pandemic has changed the pieces. Smallpox, which stalked kings, queens, and commoners alike, became the first disease ever officially eradicated, not by magic, but by relentless global cooperation.